Hey, what's up YouTube? They're saying tonight, tomorrow, and through the weekend we are supposed to be getting a huge snowstorm. You know it's going to be a lot of snow when they start measuring it in feet instead of inches. We could get upwards of like 3 or 4 feet. That's a lot of snow for us. So I'm just going to get things ready here on the farm. I took some hay up to the yaks yesterday, so they should have plenty of food through the storm. I'll probably cover the horses' feed just so that I don't have to dig through the snow. Probably chain up the Bobcat on the front tires, get it in the garage. I might even be able to park my truck in the shop. It doesn't get parked inside very often, so it's going to enjoy that. So let's go ahead and get things prepared around here. Alright, as you can see, we got hammered with snow last night. We're going to do the official measuring of how much we got last night. 18.5 inches. 21 inches. A lot of snow. Time to get to it. A lot of work to do. I feel ridiculous for having to do this, but I guess it has to be done. I don't know what it weighs, but I imagine that's a couple 100 pounds on that overhang there. Don't forget, guys, please like and subscribe. It helps get my videos out to other people so they can enjoy this content as well. Like, subscribe, as well as the notification bell. That would be awesome. All right, so I got done plowing the driveway, went in for lunch. The wind picked up and blew drifts over the road. When I tried driving out, my truck couldn't make it, too many big drifts. So I'm gonna have to plow again. Dang it. Well, I got the tractor good and stuck. I'm gonna have to go back and get a shovel. All right, I got the Bobcat good and stuck. Yes, I know. It's not the greatest machine to plow snow, but it's all I got, and I can't get out of my driveway. So let's see if I got myself unstuck. Oh man, but there is so much snow. Yeah, we are unstuck. Well, it was a success. I got driveway cleared all the way to the top. I think it's wide enough for the truck, so let's hop in the truck and see if we can make it. All right, I made it all the way up. It's clear enough. As long as it doesn't snow too much tonight, I should be able to make it out to work tomorrow. As long as nothing goes wrong tomorrow morning, I'm good to go and I'll be back at work. So thanks for watching.